On this episode, I need a haircut. So I plan to have the big block sitting right here by now. Hasn't happened. It turns out it's Thanksgiving weekend, I didn't realize that. So I got some family stuff I gotta go to. Probably should be leaving right now. Wife's probably looking for me. And I've had some few complications with the S10, so why don't we check that out instead? I'm going to try to fix the S10 here. Step one, try to get into the hood. I haven't been able to pop the hood on this in like 4 months. I think it's a stretch cable, so this is going to be fun. Holy crap, it opened! Okay, well, that's good. Gotta figure out why that's sticking. Got fluid, real low, but not healthy looking. Yeah, but I went to another master cylinder. I've already had to replace one on this. Guess I'll try bleeding it and go from there. Okay, so back at home after working on the S10 a little bit, we're gonna get a bleeding kit together, so go back tomorrow after work and see if I can hopefully bleed it and get some clutch in it, but I do think it needs a master cylinder or slave cylinder. Hopefully not the slave cylinder, because the whole tranny's got to come out, and if that's the case, then it's not happening. Then it's just gonna get parked for now. So hopefully it's the master cylinder, because they're like 20 bucks and half an hour to change, or hopefully I can just bleed it and keep driving it for a while like that. Guess we'll see tomorrow. Alright, got my 3-piece bleeder kit ready. Got my pan. Got my brake fluid. And I got my J-hook. That's all I'll need. This is where it's nice to have a wife and a big ass truck. Lowered truck problems. Well, I tried bleeding it and no luck. Looks like the master cylinder or the slave cylinder gave up the ghost. So I'll replace the master cylinder first, because they're like 20 bucks and a few minutes to change. If that doesn't fix it, then I guess she'll be not on the road anymore for a while. Got my trusty jack stand. Yeah, it's safe to go under. I just swapped the clutch master cylinder, and she's still not building pressure in the clutch, so it looks like it's a slave cylinder, and that's internal. Tranny's got to come out for that, and I really don't want to do that, so I'm not sure what I'm going to do with the truck yet. Maybe post it on Facebook to sell it. Might just put it out in storage. Eventually do an LS swap. I'm not sure yet. So dare I say it? The S10. She's fricked. That would fit in the S10. Okay, so apparently I didn't even get to figure out what to do with this thing, and I haven't even posted a video about it yet, and somebody already wants to possibly buy it for 1,000 bucks. So wasn't leaning towards selling it, but if he wants to buy it for 1,000 bucks, I'm not gonna say no. So he wanted more pictures of it, so I'm out here taking pictures and figured I'll give you guys a tour of it. It's nothing special, but it's my little S10. Just under 170k. It's kilometers, not miles, in Canada. 5-speed, yes. Base model, nice seats. This was my awesome shifter in it. Sat up here, but he's not getting that with the truck, so I took that out. I'll come home with me. My awesome pick and pull wheels that will not be going with the truck. Those will be staying with me. Cut the coils in the truck, cut it a little too far, so it kind of just, it's almost sitting on the bump stops. It's a bit of a rough ride, but 2-inch block in the rear. I like the rear lower, but today box is beat to hell. I rocker guarded it and I use it like a truck, as you guys have seen. So the reason I like this truck is the body, rust free. The only spot on this truck is actually bubbled up a little bit right there. Other than that, in the cab corners, they got a little bit of surface rust, but nothing bubbled. Oh yeah, and a distraction while we're here. Check out this beauty. Little Fiat. Rolled down a hill into a tree or something, so the roof's kind of caved in, but cool little thing, just sitting here at work. Not sure who actually owns it. Everybody says they own it, but everybody also says it's a piece of shit that they want to get out of here, so I see potential in it. I think it'd be cool as a 4x4. There was one on Top Truck Challenge a couple years ago in like 49s or something, so that'd be cool. Or a little rat rod or whatever. It doesn't have to be a show car or full restoration. Just something different, something to work on that's cool. Maybe one day I'll build that. I just thought about it. Episode 2. I'm overweighting my truck. Episode 4. Oh, I wonder why my truck's broken. Oh, this is going to be a great show. Just you wait and see.